What's up guys, IG Squad here. So this is a bit of a different video. I've never really done a video like this, but today I wanted to do a blast from the past video. Now I'm actually pretty excited because today we're traveling back to 1995 with something pretty cool. So let's go and check it out. And before we get started, guys, I do apologize. I am filming this with my portable tripod only. My main tripod broke, so this is my filming solution for right now. So, yeah, just bear with me here. But let's go ahead and check this out. And this is what we are filming today. This is a Power Macintosh 6290 CD. Sorry, excuse me for a second. This is a Power Macintosh 6290 CD. It's one of the rarest Macs ever. I mean, you can't really find these, so yeah, this has been sitting in my basement for 18 years. So let's go ahead and boot it up and check it out. As you guys can see, I don't have a mouse and keyboard. I can't find it. I thought I had it, but I don't. So we're just going to boot it up and take a look at the OS as much as we can. So, I mean, let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to try and... Actually, no, I think I'm going to have to hold it here. Let's go ahead and... turn the monitor on, give that a quick second, and let's boot it up here. Where's the button? It's right here. Does it not have a startup sound? Surprised I'm not hearing a boot up sound here. Bit weird, but okay. Not a big deal. And no signal from the monitor. That's strange. Heh. Give me a second here. Alright, let's give this a second try here. Let's try starting the computer up first here. That might be because the volume is down, but... nothing. Monitor's not getting anything. That's really weird. I mean, it looks like all the inputs are good. So, what's the problem here? Huh. Okay, that's just really weird. Let's just give it one more startup. I mean, this probably isn't gonna work, but whatever. Still no startup from the... Still no startup sound here. That's so weird. What the hell is going on? Wah, wah, wah. We might have a dead monitor here. I mean, it's definitely working. Like the light's on, but it won't show a signal. Maybe the cable's bad, or maybe I have to. No, I can't switch them because the part of the cable's internal to the monitor. So, oh me. I see a microphone and speaker port back here, which makes me think this may not have internal speakers,
which seems really stupid, Apple. But, you know, Apple is Apple, I guess. Especially in 1995. So I just tried to disconnect the VGA to see if there's any, like, busted pins, but everything seems to be fine, so, like, I don't know what's up. I'm just gonna try it one more time here and see if it works. Reconnect the VGA here. Give me a second. Alright, let's try it one more time here. Same damn light. What is that jack on the front there? Let's just give it a few minutes and see if anything happens.
Well, I tried, and it didn't work. Got the monitor light. And you got this. It feels like it's
Even worse, I realized that backup plan isn't gonna work because this f***ing VGA cable's internal to the f***ing monitor. Oh, f*** me. So if you guys enjoyed, if you did, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button down below, and follow me for much better videos. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.